Lampoon is a noun and verb that refers to sharp, mocking satire, used to ridicule a person, group or idea, often in a humorous or exaggerated way. Origins. The word comes from the French Lampoon, meaning a drinking song, which evolved into a term for ridicule. It entered English in the 17th century, keeping its satirical essence. Though explanation and usage, as a noun, lampoon refers to a written or spoken work that mocks or ridicules. As a verb, it means to satirize or make fun of someone or something, usually in a witty or exaggerated way. Example sentences. Noun, the comedian's lampoon of celebrity. Culture was both hilarious and biting. Verb, the article lampooned politicians for their constant reversals on policy. Word cultural significance. Lampooning has been a key tool in political and social commentary, from 18th century satirical prints to modern-day comedy shows and internet memes. It is often used to challenge authority, expose hypocrisy, or entertain through exaggeration. Synonyms. Satire, a literary or artistic work that ridicules human folly. Parody, a humorous imitation of a work, person or style. Mockery, derisive or contemptuous ridicule. Antonyms. Praise, expressing admiration or approval. Flattery, exaggerated compliments, respect, showing deference or esteem. Key takeaway. Lampoon is a powerful tool of satire, used to mock and expose flaws in individuals or society through humor and exaggeration. It plays a significant role in political discourse, entertainment, and cultural critique. Subscribe.